Hey there. Can I get a B box with crunchy chicken? Yes, please.
With fries and chips or just fries?
Fries and chips.
Fries and chips.
Let's do just fries.
Just fries?
Yes.
And the burrito, right?
Yes.
White or wheat?
Whole wheat.
Rice and beans on that?
Yes, please.
Black beans, brown beans?
Brown.
Chicken toss in the bang sauce? Or the
Both
spicy
maybe.
buffalo?
I'm sorry?
Chicken toss in the spicy buffalo or bang sauce? The crunchy chicken.
Just can you do it just without sauce?
Okay.
Yeah.
Rice?
Yes, please. Yes.
And brown beans.
Brown beans. Yes.
Cheese on that?
Yes, please.
Lettuce?
Lettuce.
Salsa?
Salsa.
Mild spicy pineapple?
Let's do red and the green one.
Sure. Veggies?
Bell pepper, onion,
Pepper?
corn, tomatoes,
Yep.
and some cilantro.
Sure. Sauces?
For sauces, I'll get the burrito sauce,
Yep.
sour cream, lime crema.
That's good.
Yes, that's good.
Everything on the fries?
No ground beef, no, just chicken.
Chicken, do you want spicy or mild on the fries?
Spicy, please.
Spicy. For here to go?
To go.
Any drink, coke, anything with that?
Nothing for that now.
Crunchy chicken, fries. 200.
No, I'm good.
You can go ahead.
Mm-mm-mm.